Well, hello there, lovelies. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I just want to wish all the fathers a happy Father's Day. And this is a great recipe which I'm going to share with you guys that you can make for your fathers. All right, or just for any occasion. So you're going to slightly rinse some quinoa. You can also cook to the instructions on the packet. While this was draining, I did preheat some oil in a pan. Now this part is totally optional, and you are going to toast the seeds up for about a minute or so. So you guys remember my Mother's Day video? I told you guys I'll be doing lots of healthier alternatives. So this is one of those alternatives. I really do hope you guys try it. It's absolutely delicious. All right. After about a minute, you're going to season with some vegetable stock. Or you can season with any stock you want, or you can use water. You're going to let this cook, cover and let this cook, and set aside because you want it to cool and let it be loosed for our next step. All right, so while this was cooling for me, I went ahead and I finely diced some carrots. Then to a preheated pan with oil, I went in and I add some onions here. And also the carrot, which I would have diced. Then you're going to add your peas and corn. And after about a minute or so, you're going to season, lightly season because I'm using seasoned stock, and make sure to add your oyster sauce here. I'm using vegetable oyster sauce, and of course some of that good sesame seed oil. And that is the brand I love to use. Absolutely divine. Add some red onions. And you can also add some green onions. All right. Now you're going to add your cooked quinoa. And mixed everything really, really well. Guys, this was eaten with some amazingly delicious on orange mango habanero salmon bites and broccoli. Mwah. I am sure you guys, your father, if he's a vegetarian or a fisharian, he is definitely going to love this. You guys can make this for any occasion. All right, I garnish with some, if you go ahead, enjoy.